teachers and classmates. I am your doctor for today. You can call me Dr. Anya. I want to be a doctor when I grow up because we don't have a doctor at our family yet. So, I want to take care of my family. I also want to take care of kids. I want to be a pediatrician. And my daddy is a nurse, so we gonna be teammates. So, kids, let me see if you're okay. So, kids, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. You're okay, but
Oh,
don't
thank you.
forget to drink plenty of water and always eat healthy food. Thank you for listening, teachers and classmates.
Wow. Okay, good job, Antonia. Very nice presentation. Keep it up po. So you have costume, you have also props. So that's great. Keep it up, Antonia.
So proud of you, anak.
Okay, so I move